again, Mr. C here, and in this video we're going to do one more example of condensing logarithms. Here we have the natural log of x plus 3 times the natural log of quantity y plus 1 minus 2 times the natural log of z. So we'll start out much the same way as the last two examples dealing with condensing, where if there are any numbers in front of the logs, we'll restore them as powers. So with that said, we'll start with this 3 that's in front of the natural log of y plus 1, and we'll also restore that 2 that's in front of the natural log of z. So it begins to take form like this: the natural log of x plus the natural log of y plus 1 quantity cubed minus the natural log of z squared. Now that all of your numbers are, all the in front numbers are restored as powers, we will start condensing these logs. And my recommendation for you would be to think about the last two letters of the order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or please end my day at Schoolcraft. The A and the S part where it says the last couple of things you do is addition and subtraction, whichever comes first. So what that means is, in terms of this problem, we'll work in order from left to right, handling whichever comes first, either addition or subtraction. Basically, we'll condense logs 2 at a time until we're down to a single log. So with that said, let's look at the first two logs of this expression, the natural log of x plus the natural log of y plus 1 cubed. You'll notice that it's addition between the two logs, so when we go to condense it, we'll write the natural log, and I'll open up brackets, and inside the brackets we'll take x, there we go, x times y plus 1 quantity cubed, all right, and then minus the natural log of z squared. Keep in mind that we're multiplying the inside of the first log upon condensing because we were adding two logs to begin with. So we are down to two logs now. And if you notice, the operation between the two logs at this phase is subtraction. So when we condense this into a single natural log, the argument is going to now involve division. So let's go ahead and take care of that. Let's write out one copy of the natural log notation. We'll open up a bracket and we'll write out a big fraction bar, close the brackets off, and in the numerator we'll go the first argument in our last line, which is x times quantity y plus 1 cubed. Now on the bottom we'll have the second argument, which is z squared. Since this is down to a single log, this problem is finished. All right, as always, feel free to let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. Otherwise, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.